Nobody really wants to kill an animal, but everybody wants to eat one.
I began to see them for the sentient beings they are.
My wife, Renee, went vegan. I wasn't real happy about it.
I wanted him to get out of the business once and for all. We had a big fight. I said, if you take that red trailer up the road one more time, I'm going to follow it to the sale barn. I'm going to buy them all back with your credit card. And he was like, what? I said, I will, and I'll make you the laughingstock of this county.
I said, that's it. Game over. I'm selling the whole herd. I figured the divorce was on.
And I raised $36,000 in less than 4 months, and I bought my husband's cows. We had about 29 cows at the time, a few chickens and some horses, and now we've got over 100 animals.